pretty stout though for bolt-ons only.
800 bolt-on?
Yeah.
Trust me, it'll be a fun car.
You can't beat that though. You
No.
know?
Oh, welcome back.
Thanks, buddy. See me on the news.
I don't watch Ocean City, Maryland news, so no, I didn't.
Oh, I'll send it to you.
I saw your picture of somebody.
Oh, I posted the full news thing too. You doing a little
About all the
gears, or-
hooligans.
Yeah.
Yeah, just finishing them up. Adding some fluid.
Yeah, so I was gone Friday, Monday. I was at Ocean City, Maryland for H2 No.
Dude, there was a bunch of fights and stuff down there, weren't there?
I didn't see any fights.
I saw a couple things, like people getting cut off, a bunch of people like hopping out of cars, kicking doors and stuff.
You don't mess with someone's car, man. That's
Not like that,
effed
no.
up.
You got a ticket.
I only got one ticket for no hood.
What was it for?
No hood. That's it. $70.
When I saw that, I laughed so hard.
Yeah.
I walked over and showed Matt, and I guess Eric had said something to Matt about it, and Matt didn't know why you got a ticket, just you got a ticket.
Yeah.
And then when I walked over and showed Matt started cracking up laughing about it. It was hysterical.
Whatever. I fully expected going down and getting one for that.
Well, you did.
Yeah. So what's this? Is this thing just getting gears or what?
Gears in a Nick Williams throttle body.
Okay. What intake was already on it?
I haven't even popped the hood yet, actually. So I literally just brought it in and just started ripping and tearing on getting the rear end out.
You love getting the rear end out. It's so gay. What's the matter, buddy?
Nothing.
You seem a little tense.
Trying to get stuff done.
Oh, okay. Oh, good.
How do you feel relaxed after your vacation?
Not really.
That's good.
I mean, it wasn't really a vacation.
Rear?
I mean, I pretty much consider any time you go to the beach a vacation.
I mean, I was working. Matt's angry
Thank you.
because I went to Ocean City. Sorry, buddy. I didn't get a speeding ticket. I got a ticket for no hood.
A no hood ticket.
If it was speeding, it would have been doubled. Because of the special event, even though the special event is not there. I found that ironic. So we're gonna make the whole town 30 miles an hour special event, but the event's in Atlantic City.
Well, obviously a ton of people showed up
I know.
in Ocean City, Maryland anyway.
I know, but there's no event. So how do you do special event for no event?
Well, I don't know what to tell you.
Doing the fuel system?
Yep.
So what all else have you done?
Put a NA kit on it. Put a clutch in it.
Saw that.
I guess that's about it.
And now the fuel system. We doing methanol too or no?
Yeah.
Yeah?
And line.
Oh, okay. So we put new pulley on.
Not making a little more boost. About 10 pounds.
Okay. I didn't film it really before because it didn't only make, what, like 6 or something, 7?
I don't remember. Something like that.
We did Procharger. That was it, right? Just Procharger.
We did the cam and everything before. Yeah, we did Procharger and meth. But yeah, a couple years ago we did the cam. Actually, I think we did the cam like a long time ago.
Right.
Then we did the nitrous and the holly and some other shit a couple years ago. And then now we did the Procharger and meth. And I think that's it.
Okay. Stock block.
Yep. It's just cam only LS3 with Procharger.
I like his no hood look. You should stick with him. What?
No.
See me on the news here, buddy? What?
Yeah, you and all your ricer friends.
I was there with the LS Swap 997.
Doing
How is he a ricer?
Pricey things.
I wasn't down
All
there.
your other people.
They're not all my people. Just because they're down there doesn't make them my people.
Yeah, it does.
Oh, so the F bodies that come down for Cruise Week, those are your people?
I mean, at one point they were.
The people that wreck aren't even my people.
Yeah, 370Z and Mustang.
G35 and
G35,
G35 and the GT500. Yeah, my people.
I don't know how that GT500 flipped.
You watched the video?
Yeah.
He's literally just like,
Dude, to flip a car in Ocean City, that's impressive.
Right?
I don't think I could honestly do that on purpose.
No.
Like, no.
Solid axle, bro. Solid axle.
Hey, man. Whatever.
Yeah, not even my people. Like if it was like a BMW or a Volkswagen or an Audi that crashed, but no, none of them. Had to be a Mustang. Good power for pump gas.
Yeah. Even at a normal tire on it, I think it'd pick up a decent bit more.
Yeah. So what's the trick with running like a bias ply or a radial on the dyno? You just wait a little bit, let them cool. I mean, obviously you don't want to do back-to-back pulls.
There's no real trick. They just eat power and just is what it is.
Well, I know, but you know how you read the internet and they're like, oh, don't dyno a car with them on.
Well, you can just stop doing the first part.
Reading the internet?
Yes. Stop doing that.
I know. But it's perfectly okay as long as you're not doing back-to-back pulls.
It's okay no matter what, as long as you just don't read the internet.
Okay.
Don't do that. Don't believe your brothers, uncles, cousins, dad either. Well, your brother's uncle is technically your uncle too. Is that what you were going to say?
I didn't read that far into it. I just try not to read the internet.
Good.
I was mainly just trying to say it for you to debunk the theory that it's bad.
A lot of things are bad. Just read the internet.
Drugs bad.
LS7s don't have a valve issue, according to the internet.
No. And because the Z28 is a Camaro.
Yeah, they fixed that.
They fixed
yeah,
it.
they fixed it in the Z28, but just not the vets.
Even though it's the same exact engine with the same exact heads,
Yeah,
the same exact valves.
yeah. They fixed it though.
But like, there's like less cases of it. Yes, there's less C28s than there are C6
Facts.
I mean, they only make a couple thousand known cases of people on a form.
They say the same thing with the ZR1. The ZR1s don't really have an issue. It doesn't happen in them as much because there's 1/8 as many ZR1s as there is Z06.
Right. It is all of them. They all have the issue. Every single one. They never fixed it.
No.
Mine
We
has like
fixed them.
100,000 miles. It's never happened.
You're lucky.
Yeah, that's bottom line.
Mine dropped one at like 58. No, not even 5,800. Before that, 4,300.
And what's now the race car?
Yeah.
Yep. We've had them in at 10,000. We've had them in at 90,000. I mean,
Yeah. They break or they're good all over the place.
it's totally that commercial. It's a French model. Hear that? The internet. Bonjour. I love that commercial.
I can see that.
It is 100% the internet in a nutshell.
Hey, Mike. What are you up to?
Just diagramming this accident with my State Farm Pocket Agent app. You can also get a quote and pay your premium with this thing.
I thought State Farm didn't have all those apps.
Where'd you hear that?
The internet.
And you believed it?
Yeah. They can't put anything on the internet that isn't true.
Where'd you hear that? The internet.
Oh, look. Here comes my date. I met him on the internet. He's a French model.
Bonjour.
We've been hearing about Fletcher Cox the whole week. He is elite.
He manned the middle for the league's #1 rushing defense and provided Philly's pass rush with pocket collapsing pressure from the interior of the line. And his fun-loving attitude is a breath of fresh air.
Get happy, coach! Hey, my bad, coach. I ain't trying to hit you that hard.
It's all right, bro. Don't worry about it.
So when are we doing nitros?
Never.
Why?
I got work early in the morning.
He said he wanted more in the text message.
We'll do heads and cam.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is pretty much very similar to your setup.
Same thing minus heads and cam.
Yeah. And nitros.
That. It's alright though.
I mean, 800 bolt-ons, freaking.
That's stout.
That's real stout.
Gonna be rad. Yeah. I'm to my mom because my mom ain't gonna. Wow.
You know, the dash logic.
Yep, I gotta put the program in it.
I will. Thank you, sir.
So that'll allow him to see everything on the heads up.
Yeah.
Display.
Yeah, all
Ethanol
the e-content and all a bunch of shit.
You excited for this thing, man? Is That's what I
told him I needed nitrous, so he was.
That's what I asked him. When's it coming?
So wait till I get my taxes.
Tax return. Nitrous tax return.
Yeah, nitrous tax return.
Connected or whatever. So then the exhaust, like this is open, and then that one is just normal mode, so it'll open at like 3,500 or whatever if you're ripping on it. And then this one's just closed all the time, quiet mode. You know, it says normal mode. And then you change through like the things here by the lock button.
Change what by lock button?
Like everything that it reads.
Oh, okay.
So that's how much e-content's in it. It's on page 3 or whatever, and then the exhaust. But I guess if it's in the middle, I guess you can still use this. So let's just leave that in there.
You're used to having cameras in your face, so it's like...
Yeah, it doesn't mean he likes it.
That's a good point. That's a good point.
Difference.
You can tell me to F off, it's okay. It's pretty stout. I thought you wanted more.
They do need more. It's cool though. It's actually pretty stout though for both tones only.
800 bolt on?
Yeah.
Trust me, it'll be a fun car.
You can't beat that though. You
No.
know?
This is the first time you've seen it?
Yeah. My first time seeing it.
Yeah, it had a bunch of stickers on it. I took all those off.
Yeah, it had a bunch of dumb shit on it. I sent you the picture, I think.
You need some ceramic coating on it and
Some tin.
Some tin on the windows.
Oh, God, yeah.
Yeah, it needs some.
It definitely needs 10.
Yeah.
Oh, that's not playing.
Yeah, we just built it.
Who says I'm driving this thing? You know how I drive it the rest of the week? Right back in the garage. You're like, yeah. All right, I drove that. Now how back in my free dive.
Like all the way close. That's normal mode. It'll open that like 3,000 like it does in the factory.
Who said I might get a ticket on my way home?
Just take bets.
You'll be alright.
Take bets. I mean, it's a bright red Corvette.
Yeah. With untinted windows,
Yeah,
so you can be
that's
seen clear as day.
That'll be bad. I got my get out of jail card.
That's good. You'll be alright.
You say what now about this right here?
That's just how much ethanol content is in the fuel. So, I mean, you can just go to the gas station and put pump gas in it,
Right.
whatever, but if you find a gas station that has E or something in it, you can just put E in it, you know? And it just adjusts timing depending on how much percent
all
of
the
E
time
it
it
is.
does.
Well, then you put E in it all the time.
But what do you don't want to go over? What, like 6 or 7 or something?
Nah, it'd be alright. Stock fuel system.
Where?
Nah, nothing. Cars with stock fuel systems, you can't really go over 60%, but you're good. We did all that.
Alright. You good to be back in here?
Yeah, man.
All right.
Hit me up.
All right, Will. Thank you,
buddy. Later.
I get pulled over?
Yeah, it's quiet. Like, let me listen to it.